I guess you're tired of seeing drunk drivers. In today's world, everyone gets a license whether they know how to drive or not. Some get caught doing dangerous and foolish things, but rightfully so. Today we'll look at several instances where peoples were a bit too convenient when it came to foolish drivers and what they do on the road. When you see someone driving like this, sit back, relax, and don't be afraid to phone the cops. Let's start with today's video. Driving at night is very dangerous. If you're wondering why, keep watching. Many car drivers hate bikers. This is because some bikers do not obey traffic rules. Unfortunately, all bikers end up in bad situations because of bikers who do not obey traffic rules.
Is jij een bevloek? Is jij een bevloek? Kijk hoe nou is aan mijn bike. Ik een trap voor jou. Ik een trap voor jou. Jouw poes. Klim uit. Poeken, klim uit. Jouw poes, man.
Everyone can make mistakes in traffic. After all, we are human. But the consequences of some mistakes are huge, so it is vital not to rush.
What's good with you? There's people crossing.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You're driving like nuts here.
There's people crossing.
No, you're driving like nuts.
Alright, it doesn't matter. There's people crossing.
You want me to call cops on you?
Go ahead. Call
You are one-wheeling right now. You have a camera on there.
Call him.
You're one-wheeling.
Call him.
Okay?
Call him.
This Audi driver probably got his license from the supermarket. He drives as if he owns the roads.
You are a f***ing danger. You're a f***ing danger. You're a learner, mate. I've been riding Oh, f*** off, mate. You're a danger. We're taking like that out, bro.
This old Karen stops a biker passing by and starts scolding him. The biker must have felt like he was being scolded by his father.
What are you dealing with? I work for the government. You are a noise pollution.
Mate, I don't even live here.
Then
Touch me. Can't touch me.
I'm ready to smack you.
An idiot, mate. What the? Camera, mate. Good view. I don't even live here, mate. I was just coming to pick something up.
Yeah, the world is in a crazy place.
Are you kidding me?
Humans are similar to animals. No lion wants to see strangers in its territory, so it urinates on a tree and marks its territory. This man is trying to protect his territory just like a lion, but he is mocked by bikers.
I'm calling the cops.
Okay. I'll tell them exactly what happened.
Yeah, you're taking a speed down a road you're not even allowed to drive on, about run over a pedestrian?
Get out of my face.
Huh?
Get out of my face.
Who do you think you are?
Get out of my face.
Why? Why do you speed?
Because it's fun.
No, yeah, it's fun. You see that speed limit right there?
Because we're kids.
I don't care, it's 25.
Just because you're old and you can't have fun anymore.
Oh, don't give me that crap. Stay off the road if you're going to speed. Or you're going to wreck it for everybody. You know that?
Yeah, you don't have to come at me like this, though.
Yeah, I do. You about run me over, you about killed me twice.
Because you were in the middle of the road?
I'm a pedestrian and you have no legal right on it.
I was going down the road, minding my own business, and you came out in front of me.
You have no legal right on the road with that thing.
He's a child. You should give him his key back.
He doesn't have the right to drive on the thing. He about killed me twice.
You don't own the road.
Because he jumped out in front of me. He jumped out in front of me.
Shut up. Oh, you're a dumb kid too.
I'm 36 years old, you fucking idiot.
You're a dumb kid.
Okay, I'm not a kid.
Yeah, you are a
kidding
kid.
me?
The way you're talking, you sound stupid.
Oh, really? You don't look stupid coming and attacking a 12-year-old?
I'm not attacking a...
I have it on video, buddy.
I don't care. You know what the speed limit is?
I'm gonna go get my pistol.
sit here and do it.
Okay, please.
You know what the speed limit is? You know what the speed limit is?
I do know what the speed limit
It ain't 50 either.
Where's your proof I was going 50?
You know.
Hey, we have someone on there with us.
Thank you.
And flipping me off afterwards, too.
Yeah, man, you almost killed me.
Oh, I did.
You see how close I was to flipping my
I
quad?
am a pedestrian on the road.
You were jumping out in front of me.
I was walking. You don't have no legal right.
Going like this is not walking
I
out.
don't know what you're going to do.
I mean, you're coming at me.
Don't matter. Don't you understand a thing I'm saying?
I do. I can hear you just fine.
All right, you ain't supposed to be on the damn road with the quad. Do you have a license? Do you have a helmet on? Do you?
Can you get...
This man may be the most stubborn man you have ever seen in your life. Even though there are a few bikers, he never hesitates to confront them and will probably be the winner of this war.
Thank you.
Ryan, go home.
How you trying to take a mic?
I catch you speeding down here again. This is getting impounded.
Okay.
You don't think I know how to do that?
I'm calling the cops right now, so it's fine.
Call them. I wish you would. Leave this thing sitting you. How freaking stupid are you?
How stupid are you?
Call.
Messing with a 13-year-old.
You need your fucking hit.
Hit
so
me.
Stupid.
Hit me. Do it.
I'll call Hayes right now, bud. He's gonna be on his way.
Dude, get everybody here. You guys are totally in the wrong. You know that?
I know where he lives. I
guys
know.
are totally-
He smashed my dad's phone for driving.
You guys are totally in the wrong. You think you're in the
also
right?
in the wrong.
Huh?
You're in the wrong.
Why am I in the wrong?
Because you're an adult. He's a
Oh,
child.
what's that got to do with him driving down that illegally?
Then talk to him about it.
I did.
You're
I
an
tried to.
adult.
I tried to.
It
until,
looks like it.
Shut
It didn't
up.
look like.
You're
Don't tell
stupid
me to
too.
shut up. Don't.
Shut up.
Don't tell me to shut up.
Shut up. Get out of here.
You get your ass out of here. Did you give him his key back?
Yeah, I got it.
Get on your four-wheeler and go home. I'm sending this to Hayes
Can you...
right now.
I don't have a helmet on already.
It's fine. Go.
Okay.
If you have a motorcycle and think you can pass between cars, you are wrong. This is a huge violation of the rules and you may see a police car behind you at any moment.
You really gonna try to kill me over a mirror? You gonna try to kill me? You see my bike? Now you got a hit and run. Call the police. Call the police. Come on.
There is constant tension between bikers and car drivers. Car drivers say that bikers don't obey any rules. Bikers say that car drivers do not obey the rules. Watch this video and make your decision.
You... Coming in! Coming in, you... You wanna f***ing go? Do you wanna f***ing go? Coming in! Coming in, you... Get out of your f***ing car! Get out of your f***ing car then, you... You!
You are watching the fight between a delivery boy and a car driver. Takeaway service workers have difficulty finding a parking space because they go to many shops and customer addresses, and this creates some ridiculous events. This man won't leave the delivery guy alone and threatens him.
I'm about to park my walk. Yeah, see, back up. Exactly, leave. As soon as I start recording, you back up. I'm about to pick up my order and you're not leaving me alone. What are you gonna do? Don't get close to me. I'm about to pick up my order and you almost ran me over. Instead of saying sorry, you're having me to leave.
Oh, I'm not. That ain't good.
Yeah.
You stupid.
Okay. Please leave.
Leave my... You gotta get your ass to the sidewalk and stop being here.
People are in the sidewalk. It's not dangerous. I come here every day and I pick up orders.
You have to walk with your bike. You can't
I do. I can ride my bike and I can park it in a safe zone. I cannot walk where cars are walking.
Bro, this is private property.
I would like to stop arguing with you and get on my day.
You're bugging me. You're asking me.
I'm not. I'm working just like you. I'm picking up orders.
You can't be here riding your bike.
Says who?
Says the police. They're gonna tell you that.
No. Go ahead and call the police now.
I'm not gonna call them, bro.
Okay, leave them.
All my permits are valid, stupid.
Leave.
Little ass. What, dog? Leave me the alone. I'm telling you.
You're the one who's in my face, bro.
Okay, I need you to move your property and get out of my way.
If you get off of my way, I'll do that.
Man, you're like a little kid.
Okay, sure.
Stupid, dog. Who the taught you that?
Don't talk to me. You'll see me 1,000 times a day. I'm not going to bother you.
I told you from the beginning. Hey.
Okay.
Yeah, I told you to it nicely.
There is no reason for you to tell me that anyway, because I didn't do anything to you. Why did you tell me to ride safe? Because I didn't do anything. You're jealous because I have an expensive bike?
You see, you sound like a little ass kid. I'm telling
no, you do, bro.
You rode in
no.
Said, hey,
okay, can I tell you something? I drive 1,000 places.
I told you in the beginning, please drive safe, right? Nicely, right?
But why would you say that anyway? I didn't do anything to you.
We have a lot of cars and I'm very busy.
Okay, I'm busy too. You should be careful.
You're recording me?
Yeah, because you get out of the car and you wanted to fight me. In case I want to use my pepper spray at you.
Fight you? You know
yeah.
You're going to go to jail, right?
No, because if you fight me, I'll do that. And I'm not going to go to jail because you get out of your car aggressively.
Yeah, because you're not getting out the way, bro.
Bro, you blocked me. Look who's blocked on my way. I'm leaving. You blocked me. Bro, get in your car and leave.
You're a idiot.
Okay, I have their video here. We can call the police.
Yeah.
I'm leaving.
You to please be careful
okay.
Because I'm moving cars. You don't
yes, sir. I do see that, but no one else tells me that. I come here 1,000 times a day. You're just jealous, bro. I'm telling you. Jealous. I'll be careful, but there is no reason for you to tell me that. I know how to ride my bicycle. Be careful how to drive. You almost ran me over. No, you're f***ing on my way, bro. Look.
Idiot.
You're an idiot, dog. You're a stupid, homie.
What's wrong with you, homie?
Get the f out of here, dog.
No, this is my job. Before I tell the owner not to ever serve you any orders.
Go ahead and tell them. They know me better than they know you. You're not even licensed to be here. I'll call the police. No, where's the license? Show me your license. Exactly. You guys are collecting money here.
No, we're not.
Yeah, you guys are. Yeah.
Okay,
we'll call the police and they can look at the license. Yeah, you're retarded. You're stupid. You're stupid. Yeah. Go ahead. Beautiful. Please go ahead. Go ahead. I will. The way you're fired. I'm gonna call them and I'm gonna email them the video. Go ahead. Go out, call the police right now. You know, so you're threatening me? I'm calling the police. You're threatening me? Okay. I'm calling the police right now. Bro, you're not going to threaten me because I'm not going to feel safe work anymore. What's valet zone? I'm about to park my car, my bike, and get a delivery. Why did you say sorry? You threatened me. Yes, you said you know where I live.
There are many old drivers on the roads. In general, you should stay away from elderly car drivers because some of them are quite angry and stubborn.
Because you're in a Corvette, you can just run f***ing people over? Is that what you think? The f*** is wrong with you, man? What the f*** is wrong with you? You think because you're in a Corvette, you can just run people over? How hard was it just to merge around me? How hard was it to merge around me? Was it that hard? Get on my ass and wham your horn on, speed around? F*** you. Yeah, let's go.
This video will not surprise you. I have always said that BMW drivers are problematic people. This video may change your mind about some BMW drivers.
Nur zur Info.
Recht erklären muss, deine Kamera ist genau wertlos, weil du darfst die Aufnahme nicht verwenden.
Weiß ich. Nur mit der Ruhe. Ich wollte mir nur sagen, wo sie überholt haben, war ein Kindergarten.
Nur zu Ihrer Information, dass Sie
Dann
Bescheid
stellst du
wissen.
vielleicht nicht 4 und fährst dann langsam.
Erstens darf ich nicht vorfahren, zweitens war 30, ja?
Ja, und ich darf überholen und weiter.
Ich dürfen überholen mit einem Unterschied von 20 km/h und nicht nur einen Kindergarten. Lernen die STVO, bevor sie mit dort daher vortrage.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.